Welcome. In this quick and simple guide, you'll learn how to enable camera uploads notifications on Dropbox so you never miss when your photos and videos are safely backed up. If you've recently updated your phone or reinstalled Dropbox, it's a good idea to double check that these notifications are still active. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go straight to your settings. This is where you'll control all the app permissions and notifications on your device. Once you're there, scroll until you find apps. Tap to open it. Next, scroll through your list of installed apps and look for Dropbox. When you find it, you can give it a tap to open the app's details and settings. This is where you can manage everything related to how Dropbox behaves on your phone. After that, tap on notifications. This section lets you choose which alerts you want to receive from Dropbox. By default, you might already have some notifications turned on, but we're going to make sure the one for camera uploads is active too. Now, tap on notification categories. You'll see several different types of notifications that Dropbox can send, things like file updates, sharing alerts, and uploads. Here, look specifically for camera uploads. Finally, toggle on camera uploads. Once the switch is on, Dropbox will send you notifications every time your camera roll uploads new photos or videos. This helps you know that your memories are being safely stored in the cloud. And that's it. You've successfully enabled camera uploads notifications for Dropbox. From now on, every time your phone automatically uploads new pictures or videos, you'll see a quick confirmation notification letting you know that everything's been synced. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to check your other Dropbox settings to make sure you're getting the most from your cloud storage. It only takes a few moments and it keeps your backup process smooth and stress-free.